do 2 really pretty and quick claw clip styles that you've probably never tried before because they were new for me when I found them too. One tip to remember when you're doing a claw clip style is that if you're using a claw clip that is too big for your hair, that might be the reason that you're failing. So this is a pretty small claw clip, but it is still too big for my hair when it comes to these styles. I'm using one of my little flower clips. These clips are quite small. They're only about an inch, inch and a half wide, but you want something that will close relatively tight and have lots of tension for you. So using a smaller claw clip if you have thinner hair. If you have more hair, grab a bigger claw clip. If the hair is falling all over the place, your claw clip is either too small or too big. So experiment with different claw clip styles if you feel like you're doing it right, but the style is just not working.
You're going to start by gathering all of your hair into a ponytail. I like to do it rather low, but you can do it wherever you want. Open up your claw clip and you're going to put it on top of the hair. Bring the hair up from the bottom of the claw clip over top of the claw clip and put that hair in the claw clip, and then you're going to turn the claw clip towards your head and make sure you bite that claw clip all the way into your scalp so it holds all those layers of hair. And it's such a cute little twisty bun, and it actually is super secure and looks super cute. The next one, we are again going to gather our hair into a ponytail, but this time we're going to twist and hold it up like we're going to create a French twist. But we're going to clip right down there at the base, bring that tail around and then underneath that claw clip, leaving the little tail at the top. If your hair is really long, you could go around twice or even 3 times just so that you don't have a huge long tail. But this one is also super cute and pretty and just a really unique way to put up your hair without a hair tie.
I hope that helps. I hope that gives you 2 new fun styles to try with your claw clips, because I love claw clips. Just like French pins, claw clips are relatively gentle on the hair and don't cause a lot of damage. So if you're trying not to put your hair up with a ponytail holder all the time, try claw clips. And these are 2 really cute, unique ways that you can use them that you don't see in everybody's hair every day. And I thought they looked super fun when I tried them out, so I wanted to share them with you guys. Let me know in the comments if you try one or both of these styles and how they turned out for you. Or just say hey, because I love to hear from you guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and subscribe if you are not already a subscriber, because I'd love to have you here as part of my DIY Hair School family. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.